So why am I using the Lotus in this video? Why? Because I need a few extra YouTube views. I'll tell you what, whenever I use the Lotus in a YouTube video, you can basically double the views on it. So I'm giving the people what they want. What can I say? I'm a man of the people. Either way, we have a car in the booth there. This is actually my prep suit. Sometimes when I'm just doing sort of little jobs, I'll just leave my prep suit on. So what I mean by that is like my prep work spray suit. What I'll sometimes do is just do this. And the suit is nearly more for keeping me clean than keeping the job clean. On a bigger job, you know, it sort of serves a bit of a double purpose. It kind of keeps the job clean and keeps yourself, keeps the paint off yourself. But there we go. I think I'm gonna have to clean this screen off too. Always get a brand new razor blade when I'm cleaning the glass screen on this thing. But how good is it just having glass on your visor? You can clean it perfectly each time. So yeah, look, not really my favorite clear. I'm using the 105 clear because we've still got sort of like half a kit just sitting there. Not the biggest fan of it, but there you go. Use the A&I compact for base coat on this job here. Rip a little gun in 1.3 just to keep the color nice and tight. If it was a bigger job or a full panel paint, I'd probably usually default to the DV1 with the 1.3 in it. But yeah, like I'm just sitting there like, what gun do I use? Like I usually use the DV1, what is it? They called it old school, I think. Yeah, the old school one was the one with the guy with the mask on the side of the spray gun. It was basically like a redo of the Vigilante, and then the new school, that was the base coat gun, which I just pointed out. Yeah, really tiny little, like barely even a repair on this one. Like I could barely even see anything. There was the tiniest little blemish there. All I did was just block it out and hit it with the orbital sander, and here we go. A little bit of color, and now we're about to put a couple of coats of clear on it. So I'll get that respirator on. You guys can probably hear me better this time too, because I've decided to take that GoPro out of the case that I used to use. Shout out to the Humble Paint Sprayer. I'm pretty sure I'm remembering that username correctly. But he was the one in the YouTube comments of one of my other raw videos. He said that what he does is he gets like these little plastic sort of tear-offs for his GoPro. So yeah, it looks like he's obviously got his own channel, so go check him out if you want. Yeah, being the 105 clear, I like to get that first coat on sort of nice and tight, right? Damn, man. Now like this is actually the first time I've used the Supernova with the 105 clear, I think. Not that, yeah, like I don't think I can remember using it, but now I'm like, man, wow. Even that first coat, because you need the first coat on nice and skinny, right? Because if you overload, basically with the 105 clear, it won't flash between coats, like, or it takes much longer to flash between coats. But then after it's after coats, when you hit bake, right, as soon as the heat hits it, bang, it'll flat, like it'll dry really fast. So the reason, a couple of reasons I like to go skinny on the first coat is because it's so skinny, you'll actually encourage more of a flash because you've got a very thin film on there, right? Obviously a wet coat's going to take longer to dry, and also, yeah, like if you just go wet coat and then another wet coat, you'll be prone to running it with this clear because you haven't had that flash, right? But wow, that's like nearly too good. What am I going to do on the next coat? deliberately leave it with a bit of orange peel to make it look like the rest of the car. Looking nice and clean. I really don't give it too long in between coats. Like I say, it doesn't necessarily want to flash by default because of the nature of this clear. And I'm really just using it up. I'm just using up what I've got there, and I'm not going to be reordering it. From there on, it'll be maybe a job like this. I might use the 177, which is the air dry clear, or the 131. So yeah, you may have noticed that I put that pressure down a little bit. It's only on 22. I don't know why, man. Sometimes you just got to do what feels right. You don't always have to follow what the Gunman on YouTube says. Don't follow what the paint rep says. If it feels right, feels good, man. And it looks right. Like if you're getting the results that you want, it doesn't really matter what anyone says. It's got a very soft fan on it, this thing, when you go full fan. Look at that. Look at that, man. Tight finish. Bloody hell, I swear, it's got to be the best clear gun I've got. It's got to be. I mean, how could you argue with that? Copped a big bit of crap there, probably come out of under here. I did tell them, I said, man, if I get an edge there, like it's not my fault, they're like, no, don't worry about it. You know, it is what it is, man. I'll do anything. I'm not one of those painters, like prima donna painters, who's like, gonna kick up a stink. Oh, blah, 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 I need you to take all this shit off. Yeah, been there, done that, who cares, mate? I'm 42 years old, actually just turned 42. Happy birthday to me. But there we go, guys. Nice finish. Let us know what you think about the audio, please do, because I think going forward, even with clear coat jobs, we'll be doing it like this. Probably about time I upgraded this GoPro too, but I think I'll skip the 12. This is the 11. I got the GoPro 11. Might skip the 12, go straight to the 13. When that comes out, I'll get one of them. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that. So, yeah, full fan, full fluid. First coat was like 29 PSI. Second coat was, what was it, like 22, 23? And man, like you can't argue with the results, really, can you? It was what the job called for. And how good's that, man? That job here probably took me about an hour and a half, start to finish. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.